tuned because there is so much more to come here from Yokohama's World Time Attack Challenge. In the meantime, let's go and have a chat to our commentators, Chris Diggles.
World Time Attack Challenge.
Only set records for World Time Attack, but the overall world...
All the way to the United States of America, the Yokohama World Time Attack Challenge 2019.
I saw rolling by here at the pit exit. She was showing sticker tyres. The guys were strapped in, ready to rock, and it's unbelievable watching these cars come.
A few months back, Ian Baker called, and we were discussing ideas on how to grow Time Attack internationally, specifically in the United States. We came up with the idea of a tour, a Super Lap Battle official tour of World Time Attack Challenge. Next thing you know, we had 18 North American time attackers on their way to Sydney, Australia for the World Time Attack Challenge in October. They arrived Wednesday, a couple days before the competition, and were able to take in some local sights and sounds around Sydney. Thursday, the group of 18 took in some practice in the morning at World Time Attack Challenge at Sydney Motorsports Park. A guided tour by none other of Ian Baker and Eric Sue. They were able to check out Plasma Man, Haltech, Turbo Smart, and Power Tune. Friday and Saturday, it was all World Time Attack Challenge, full maximum attack, the amazing time attack cars, the amazing drivers and teams.
And under Suzuki involved in a start-finish straight incident which saw him into the wall. The crew has been working feverishly throughout the night. Under Suzuki is back here at the venue and we'll see what happens.
So we're at the first day of competition at the World Time Attack Challenge at Sydney, Australia. So far we're having an awesome day. Rob Parsons has set a good time. I've set a better R35 time than we've done in previous years. So there's not too much more I could ask for today. And we have a whole another day of competition. We're coming off that win at Super Lap Battle at Texas earlier this year that kind of gave us the energy to put this program to get back down here for this event.
The group of 18 were able to hang out and take pictures and speak with Tarzan Yamada, Kiichi Tsuchiya, and Under Suzuki.
Really cool, really inspiring getting to see this event in person. You see all the pictures and the videos and everything online. You get an idea of kind of how crazy it is here.
What else can you call this thing other than a pure creation intended to destroy lap records here at Sydney Motorsports Park? Amanda corner, full commitment from RP968. Bart, pull it up, boy, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. He gets it through there. Wow.
The Porsche RP968, they are killing it. They're obviously the top dogs in pro class. And man, talking to Bartenmauer and the team over there, I mean, that's just an incredible car. All the pro class cars, all the pro-am cars, I mean, just taking it to another level.
My biggest thing leaving away from this event is the excitement for wanting to do this event in the future. There's always been a lot of stigma about how high level these cars are, and getting to see them in real life, you see that they're super high-end cars, super high level. But what was also really awesome was seeing the giant Club Sprint group. I think the Club Sprint group is a good representation of what Team USA could represent with in the future. So I'm excited myself about being out here, but I'm even more excited about and making plans about coming out and competing myself in the future. So
we spent some time with the Elusive Racing team, and when you look at that car in Club Sprint class and you get up close and personal and look at the detail, it is built the same way you would build a pro class car. And that's hugely inspiring. You know, these cars aren't just thrown together. These aren't, oh, I'm in the lower level, so I'm just gonna do this, I'm gonna settle for that. No, they're going all out. That's the biggest thing that we're taking back to Super Lap Battle in the US is just that mentality shift, that difference in, yeah, let's take it to 11 all the way, because that's what you need to do to be competitive on the big scale.
Super Lap Battle, Circuit of the Americas, is February 15th and 16th, 2020. Be on the lookout for breaking news, as we're confirming a few international drivers to come drive and compete at SLB Coda 2020. They will be teaming up and driving a North American Time Attack car. So far, Brett Dickey is confirmed, and also Barton Maher. Barton is fresh off another first place record-breaking finish at this year's World Time Attack Challenge. We're also close to confirming none other than Tarzan Yamada. Cross your fingers. See you at SLB Coda 2020, February 15th and 16th.